Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need two things first: the Office Edition and an administrative prompt. Sign into the Microsoft account that may hold a retail license. This often shows the full product assignment. Once done, open an elevated PowerShell window so you can run local checks or scripts. Make sure Office is installed and closed while you inspect keys. Now proceed to local retrieval methods or account-based recovery. The next steps explain both quick account checks and local decoding options you can run immediately. If the Microsoft account didn't show a key, use local retrieval. First, try a reputable tool like NurSoft Produ Key. Run it as administrator and export the found Office keys. This reads installed product identifiers quickly. Alternatively, run a short PowerShell routine that reads digital product ID from hklm/software/Microsoft/Office/version and decodes the last 5 characters. This helps only some retail/volume installs. To finish, enter the recovered key in Office. Open any Office app, go to File Account Change Product Key, or use Settings Update and Security Activation for Windows-hosted installers. Once applied, restart an Office app and confirm activation. If activation fails, sign out of Office, remove stored credentials in Credential Manager, then sign in and re-enter the key. If you still can't recover a usable key, contact Microsoft support with your purchase receipt. They can reissue or associate a license to your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.